I'm coming for you, Esther. It's time for Drax's revenge.
What the heck is Drax doing?
Aaron, you know when Drax getting here?
No idea. Don't care. Are you kidding me? That guy's a jerk.
I hope he doesn't come over.
Aaron's Nerf room. A nemesis. Perfect.
Don't.
Let's get tactical, bro. Cooper. Now you're my dog. Let's go. Oh. Now we wait for Aaroness.
Time to walk the dog. Cooper, time to go for a walk.
Drac? Aaron. Cooper?
What have you done?
This is revenge for my nemesis. Let go of the dog. He's my dog now, Aaron.
Lord Draconical, this is war.
You take a nemesis and my dog? You'll die! Ah! Let's do this. Showtime.
And the Oscar goes to
Aaron.
Hello, Lord Draconical.
What have you done to my dog? He's my dog now. I got you, Cooper. You're mine. How tight you go, Cooper? Get out there, you dog. Stay.
What's going on?
I'm gonna kill you. Mike, help me! Hold Aaron down! Oh, get out of the shot! What now, Aaron? Josh! I need you! Josh! Josh, put the camera down! I need you! Kill him, Drac! We execute Aaron live on film! These are blue! I'd rather go blind! Alright, so we're gonna get 10,000 likes, or we kill Aaron, and we want your Nerf fruit, and we want the dog.
You can't have either of those things.
If we can get 1 million likes on this video, we will execute Aaron live on tape. 1 million likes! Ah! Comment down below, #red team.
Like this like button.
If we don't smash the dislike button.
If you don't upload this video with all of this uncut, we will kill you right now and steal Cooper forever.
He's our dog now. 1 million dislikes! 1 million dislikes! 1 million dislikes! Can we smash it?
Drac, what do we want from this guy?
We want 10,000 million likes.
10,000 million likes!
And
That's okay.
Get you.
That's okay.
Shut up. And we're gonna get you in Nerf room. And we own your dog now.
No.
Shut up. Yes.
Did we say you
He's our dog now.
Did we say you could talk?
No. And if you don't do it, we're gonna kill Aaron.
Dislike!
And we're gonna kill his dog. Just like this.
This is what happens when you mess with Drac!
#, blue in the comments.
Hashtag red!
Red.
Hashtag red! Red! 1 million! This guy! Josh! He's not coming! Josh! I need you! No one is coming to help you. Josh! No one! Josh! Coming for you. Josh! I need you! You have the best Nerf YouTuber right here. And you answer the draft from now on.
No.
You will turn the rights of your channel and all your merch over to draft.
I want all the merch. All
That's
the Aaron S t-shirts.
If you don't buy all of Aaron's t-shirts for draft,
Send them to me.
buy all my merch. We will kill him live on camera. And we'll burn his Nerf arsenal.
Alright.
1 million dislikes. I'll never forget. Did I hear hashtag blue? Josh? Josh! Red Scoop! I'll save you, Aaron! Team Red! Josh! My savior! My hero!
Mike, Aaron brought a Smurf to save him.
And it's blue! Kill the blue Smurf! My favorite blue Smurf. My favorite blue squad leader. I'll follow you until I become squad leader again.
Blue Command, this is Blue Squad Leader.
I knew you'd come.
This is for you. We can win this.
Let's kill these rats.
Let's do it.
The Oscar goes to
Josh!
It's just you and me, Esther.
Bring it on. Nerf herder.
Nerf noob.
No! That's for stealing my nemesis and my dog. You know what? One more for segment. You still moved.
Damn it.
The Oscar goes to
Drac?
There you go.